Hello friends, good evening. So welcome to a new video and let's see what is going to happen on tomorrow's expiry day. Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so before we enter into that video, if anybody has not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, turn on the bell button, give me a thumbs up if you like this content, and also you can always comment if you have any doubts. Okay, so let's jump into the charts today. So what is happening today? Nifty, actually what happened is it actually consolidated for the whole day. So we will just mark some important levels for tomorrow, which will act as a good resistance and support. And for that, I will just go to the options chart. So in this video, I'm also trying to explain to you how I plot my supports and resistance. So here, this is the option chart for Nifty. Okay, let me refresh. Okay, so this is directly from NSE data as of now. Nifty has a high support over 18,600. So this is the first one I'm going to mark here, okay, which is 18,600. So let's mark this line, 18,600. Okay, so this is the first level. And what about the second one? I have a high resistance at 18,700, which is having 2 lakhs contract over here. So I'm going to mark this 18,700 as another line. Okay, so we have two lines here and one more line I'm going to mark, which will be the next support level where it is. It's after 18,600 support level, we have a 1,52,000 contract which is on 18,500, and I'm going to mark that level also in this chart, 18,500. Okay, so now we have three levels. Okay, and the first level is almost in the top of today's trading. And what I suggest you guys is, here we already have a top side which is 18,700. We have a limit here, and I'm going to add an additional line which is not in the OI chart, which will be today's low, which is approximately 18,634, somewhere around 30, 34, 35, like that. Okay, so here, if tomorrow's market is coming anywhere inside this zone, I will not go for any trade because it is risky. Okay, so this is actually a no trade zone. What? It's a no trade zone. I'm just making this area in a box so that you can identify. This is a no trade zone. Let's type in no trade zone. And it's risky. That's why I'm telling you it's risky in this area. So I'm considering this as a no trade zone for tomorrow. Okay, so now that has been marked, and now let me put it in a longer version. Okay, so now here we have other 3 points. So what I suggest is, if tomorrow by any chance price open in a gap up, okay, that is, we have an important event in US Fed meeting is going on in midnight, and in case there is a positive news from out of that meeting, we will be expecting a gap up for tomorrow, and if it is negative, it is a gap down. But right now what we concentrate is, we will just see this level, which is 18,700. Okay, if you see the price going above this level, you can go for a call option. If you see the market is going up, it's taking support, maybe it is opening gap up. Okay, if in gap up cases, it should take a resistance, sorry, not resistance, support from here. And if it is trying to go up, if you see a clear bullish moment, you can go for a call option in this area. Okay, but you have to keep trailing your SL. Tomorrow is expiry day, and in that case, actually it will be a risky trade. Anything can happen in tomorrow's chart. Okay, so always trail your SL if you enter any trade in any scenario. Okay, so this is the first trade that I'm going to tell you. If it is going beyond this level, which is 18,700, you can go for a call option, and this is a no trade zone. And in case if you are finding price breaking this level, for example, tomorrow if the price is opening flat or maybe a small gap down, in that case we need to make sure this line is broken. Okay, and it will take a retracement, whatever, and this is a first signal. You can mention this line as a first indication that price is going to come down. And another thing we have to notice is that we have a gap to be filled. because today Nifty opened in a very large gap up, and it was trying to fill this gap, but it did not happen. So maybe tomorrow they will try to clear this gap. They will fill this gap. Maybe from here it may revert and go back. So there is no much space here for entering a trade. If the momentum is very less, and since it is an expiry tomorrow, the premium decay can happen very fast, and you will not be ending up in profit. So even if this line is breaking, I suggest not to enter a trade. Okay, you wait until you get a signal at 18,600. Once this is achieved, and if you're finding any kind of confirmation signals that it is going up, you can go for a call option from here, which is scalping trading. Okay, absolutely, scalping trading. So this is a good support, but my preference is I will wait for this line to be broken, and in that case I will wait for a retracement, and I will wait for a put option which is more rewarding. Okay, you have a large length here, which is 18,500 will be your target. So sitting for this position will give you more reward rather than playing inside this area. It is more risky. Maybe market can go zigzag. It can, make big candles up and down, and it can hit your stop loss. So do not go for that. I will suggest to make a put option from this line and keep your target here. But of course, once you get your minimum, profit, and you can update your SL, and as the market goes, you can take down your profit. Okay, so this is what we have to do in Nifty. So clearly the call option will be likely risky. I'm telling you, it can be a scalping trading. Always enter into the market like a scalper. Once you get your profit, try to update your stop loss, and get out of the market once it start falling down, because anything can happen tomorrow. A small red candle will eat a large amount of your premium, as a big green candle will only increase a few amount of profit to your wallet. So be careful in tomorrow's trading. Okay, so let's see what is going to happen in Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trade. Okay, so actually, as per my video yesterday, my prediction yesterday, I already mentioned that if you see Bank Nifty in a gap up position, and it's not reaching down and touching a particular point, it will not give you a big momentum. And it is what exactly happened today. Bank Nifty has traded in between 150 points, because a lot of people who have tried to enter a trade will not be in a good profit, because the momentum was very less and the premium decay was more. And I think a lot of people have exited on cost or very minimum profit. So this is not to happen tomorrow. We will see how the market is going, and then only we enter a trade. Always go for a price action. Check if there is good momentum, and volume is increasing. All those factors, there are a lot of factors to be analyzed. Even if I mark you the levels, you have to analyze these kind of small data. Then only you have to enter into a trade. Okay, so let's mark something in Bank Nifty. The first thing I have to mark, let me go into this one, option chain. Okay, here we have a strong resistance as well as a support at 44,000 level, which is 1,20,000 and 1,40,000, nearly 40,000 resistance over here. Okay, we have 1,20,000 support here. So 44,000 is an important line to be mentioned. Okay, so let's draw that line. Okay, 44,000. Okay, so this is going to act as an important line for tomorrow. And let me check for the next line, which is the next higher point is 43,500. Okay, we have a contract which is 1,24,000, which is the highest contract right now. Maybe tomorrow it can change, but still I'm going to mark this level 43,500. Okay, mark that level, which is we see higher, in a low place right now. 43,000, above 44,000 will be 43,800. Okay, let's mark 43,800. Okay, what is the next level after 43,800? 43,700. Okay, so this is how we mark some of the important lines in Nifty and Bank Nifty, as I told you. Seeing the options chart. This is the first step. Okay, this will not conclude the line finally. Let's see what is it. Okay, 44,100, which is having 89,000, 44,200. Okay, so we will also mark 44,200 here. 44,200. So let's mark that level. Okay, so as of now, as per the data and as per the incidents which happened today, okay, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to consider this area which is above 44,000 as a no trade zone, because today Nifty has traded in such a way that it was showing very low momentum. There is no particular points that we can focus on. So I do not encourage people to trade in this particular area. I'm just going to draw a box like this, and this is a no trade zone. Okay, I'm just going to mark this as no trade or risky zone. Try to avoid this area, because market can go in a zigzag way. Whatever it is, it will try to trap you. Okay, and if in case market is going for a gap up, like a complete gap up, for example market is going to open somewhere around here, then also I will try to avoid the market, because from here it is clear sky, it is trading on ever time high, all time high, and I'm not comfortable in trading in such a place where we do not have a previous history of support or resistance or anything. So I try to avoid the trade if the market is going gap up. Inside this zone, I'm not going to take any trade. Okay, so if it is opening flat, means I will just wait for the market to come out of this box. Okay, maybe 43 44,000 level which is marked, and I will wait for a retracement. And in case this retracement, this resistance is acting very strongly tomorrow, I will go for a chances for PE, put option only. And this is my target, which is 43,800 will be my target one. But I will not rely completely on for to achieve this level. I will keep trailing my SL. It's more like a scalping trading for tomorrow, because tomorrow in a small green candles can, like if you're going for a put option, big red candles can give you very less increase in your premium, and small green candles can take away most of your premium, because premium decay, time decay can happen tomorrow, because tomorrow is an expiry day. So be careful, better go for a scalping, keep trading your SLs at regular intervals. Once you reach a desired level, try to book your profit for tomorrow. So that is clear, I think. If market is opening gap down, in that case I will lean more towards the call side. Okay, so if market is opening a gap down, it can fall, and if it is taking support from this area 43,800 and going up, I will go for a call option. This will be my target, and I already told you about the put option, which is this area. Okay, if the market is breaking this level 43,800, again I will hold and wait until there is a proper retracement, and I will see to it that there is proper signals which gives me that market is going to go down. And if that is broken, I will consider 43,600 as my next target, and 43,500 is acting as a very good support. But tomorrow maybe that contract will increase or whatever, because it will not cross beyond 43,600, because 43,600 has acted as a very good support in our previous history. See, this is the level which is market has reacted multiple times. So I'm just going to mark this level also, which is 43,600. Okay, so this can also can taken as a reference. This can be a place where market can react and turn back. So mark all these lines properly in your chart. And one more thing I need to do is that I need to draw a trend line. Okay, so I already mentioned a trend line last week, and I'm going to draw the same trend line. Okay, Let's see. Oh, the trend line from here till here. Okay, so let's do a little bit of adjustment. Okay, fine. See how exactly the market has fallen from this particular point. Here, this line is met. Market went down. A huge fall from here. Again, a huge fall from here. Again, there is a huge fall. And again, market came and reacted over this particular line today, and it again fell from there. Okay, so this line is going to be an important line for tomorrow also. So in case that is the one reason that I am telling you, if market is going for a gap up, it will go for a consolidation because there is a high resistance in 42,200, and also there is a trend line which is going just above its head. So it is risky to go for a call above this line. Okay, so I hope everything is clear, and if there is anything that you want to add on, you can add up in my comments. Any doubts, you can ask questions in my comment box, and always go for a safe trading. Hope everybody make good money out of tomorrow's market. So see you in next video. Bye bye.